how to transfer contacts from Android to iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily transfer your contacts from Android to iPhone. So let's dive right in. First things first, get your Android device and then go to Play Store, and then on the search bar on the bottom right, search for Google Contacts. So tap on it and then go ahead and install it. So this is where the magic happens. So once you have downloaded the Contacts app, just go ahead and open it up. And then on the top right, you'll find the profile icon. Tap on it, and then you can see last sync 18 minutes ago. Tap on it, and then you can see if the sync is off, then tap on it and then toggle on the Google Contact Sync. Now it will sync all of the contacts saved on your phone to your Gmail account. Now what you need to do is you'll need to log in into the same Gmail account on your iPhone, and then all the synced contacts will be transferred to your iPhone. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.